build Angusion. And the first one, there's no more other thingy here. This is the emblem. It can be this or this. You can pick, but my personal pick is this for extra attack penetration and attack and the movement speed. This one just hybrid lifesteal, attack, and hybrid defense. I need the damage more, so I use this. I cannot really use it much because it will be further than 15 minutes. I cannot make it further than 15 minutes because I don't have a phone number. I'm only 9 years old. So I hope you guys enjoy this. But this is what everything I use. I get gold on this, but my teammate looks trash. And MVP on this. This is everything I use. And I was AFK here because my tablet was shut down. This is the only time I was silver because look, 5, 6, 8. Do you know why I was silver? Because I couldn't get my items and I couldn't fight normally. They were a strong fight. This is the fight. This guy. Palagi nagsasama si Argus pati Alucard kaya hindi ko kaya masyado. So, I hope you guys have a nice day. And you can copy my build. Here's my direct personal setup. This is the main one I use. But I personally choose Flicker. And here's Unchu. And Flicker here too. And Hellport there. Maybe I made this myself. This one I just got from a Pro setup. Where's it? Freya. There it is. So goodbye guys.